We're now back in the 2D drafting and annotation workspace in AutoCAD 2010, and what we're going to look at now is the CUIx file. It's not the CUI file anymore as in previous versions of AutoCAD. And people that customize their workspaces, their drawing environment, their ribbons and so on, they tend to use the CUI editor to change that environment. So what you do, you still type CUI, and as you can see there it's coming up on the dynamic input, and you press enter. And the CUI dialog box will appear, and as you can see it doesn't look very different from previous versions. However, there are some new little features that will make your life easier. First of all, the file name. As I said, it's CUIx now, not CUI anymore. So remember that in any scripts or programming you may have written. The other thing as well, I can now work with my workspaces like so. I can customize pretty much anything within my drafting environment. I can customize the ribbon there, for example, what tabs are on the ribbons. There's the Home 2D, the Home 3D, Mesh Modeling. If I click on Mesh Modeling there's all my Mesh Modeling panels. And if I click on there, what'll happen is it will show me the panel here. Now what I really like about 2010 is, look, I can hover over this and click on it, and as you can see there, it takes a few seconds, but it actually takes me in here to Modeling Mesh's Revolve Surface. If I click here, it allows me to edit graphically again. AutoCAD 2010 is very graphic, very visual, and as I've said in previous videos, it paints 1,000 words sometimes. I can click on this icon here and it says that it's tabulated surfaces, for example. So the CUI file is extremely useful. If I just scroll down a little bit more here, I can do things like menus, even mouse buttons, even rollover tooltips now are programmable in the CUIx file. So there's my tooltips there for my panel, for example. It's very useful. Shortcut menus can be customized if necessary. And even mouse button clicks can be customized. So I've got mouse buttons here, click, shift and click. What do they do? So if I do a click there, you can see button 2, grips menu, toggle snap, toggle ortho, and so on. So it can be customized very quickly and very easily. But more importantly, very, very graphically now. It's visual. So AutoCAD 2010 provides you with some new CUI customization tools in the CUIx file, not the CUI file anymore.